Hi, I am Dr. Syed Safiullah. Greetings from Omega Hospitals. I am a consultant radiologist working over here since its inception in 2010. I am going to talk briefly about breast cancer. As we know, the incidence of breast cancer has been increasing. All of us hear a lot of cases being diagnosed, and radiology and imaging plays a very important role in the diagnosis of breast cancer. It's not always that every lump is a cancer. That's a misconception. A lump may be a simple thing like just a cyst, or it may be a lump may form because of some trauma, as in an injury to the breast. When a child accidentally rubs against the breast, a lump may form, and that may not necessarily be a tumor. So, radiology and imaging plays a very important role in the diagnosis. Whenever a lady complains of a breast lump, it is very important to get to the diagnosis, to get to the root of the problem, what exactly it is. We have state-of-the-art digital mammography and 3D tomosynthesis imaging equipment available with us. This helps us to diagnose breast cancer at a very early stage and also to diagnose benign conditions which can be safely left alone. The advantages which our equipment offers is early diagnosis, and at a very early stage the so-called baby cancers, wherein treatment can yield very good results and patients have good survival. With our equipment, the false positives and the false negatives are avoided. False positives are those lesions which may mimic a cancer but which are not actually cancer. In the previous days, false positives used to result in a biopsy which used to invariably come negative. So with our equipment we can avoid such false positive cases. And false negatives, which means that a lady has a cancer but it is reported as being negative and the patient is allowed to go home, and she may come at a later date with a much advanced tumor and much disease burden which may be difficult to treat at that particular point of time. So with our equipment we are able to see the signs of the cancers. The cancers may present radiologically as a mass, or they may present as areas of architectural distortion, or they may present as microcalcifications. We also have with us the biopsy systems. We have good ultrasound equipment with elastography. We can do ultrasound guided biopsies for lesions which are suspicious, and when there are only microcalcifications, we can do stereotactic biopsies with our digital equipment, which is very simple to do. In these ways, we are able to diagnose breast diseases in a very precise manner, leading to good outcomes for the patients.